Hi, this is Nikki Golly in the flesh. We've been talking about gratitude all month, so I want to give you 5 things that I'm grateful for this amazing machine right here called the Tower Garden. The first thing is that it makes me look good. It's completely automated, so I don't have to remember anything. The lights go on by themselves, the Tower Garden pump goes on by itself, and it sounds like a water fountain. I digress. The other thing, the second thing, is that it's nutrient-dense food. It's actually good for me, and it's right here. Which brings me to the third thing. There is like 0 carbon footprint. I harvest it, I walk to my kitchen, and I make my salad or make my amazing yummy food. Like, I've been doing a lot of guacamole because I have amazing cilantro because my husband loves cilantro, and I do now too. And the fourth thing is that it's got lights. The lights light up the living room, which I love. I don't use other lights. Warning though, when it automatically goes off at night, you could be sitting in the pitch black. Not that I have ever done that before. Definitely done it. And the fifth thing is that I'm printing money. I've had this thing for 7 years now. Love it. Getting a new one very soon. And I have been just printing money for like little to no cost. I have all this amazing food and it cost me like nothing. Seeds cost pennies. Heads of lettuce and Swiss chard cost lots of dollars at the store, especially since post-COVID. So, what are you grateful for and what are you growing?